Hey cruisers, welcome back to Travel Cruise Feast. You must try these 7 must-dos on Quantum of the Seas. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until number 1, because it's the activity you really don't want to miss.
We're the future, ready to ignite. With our voices, lift them, we'll reach new heights. In this vibrant scene, we'll make our mark.
Coming in at number 7, sit in the great outdoors. Find a cozy spot in the sun or shade, relax, and just enjoy the sea views. If the weather isn't right, head to the adults-only solarium for perfect weather year-round while still enjoying the views. Picture yourself doing this while sailing through Alaska. Wow.
Scene, we'll make our mark. With the energy flowing, we'll light up the dark. From the stage to your heart, we're breaking through with every beat.
At number 6, make breakfast an experience. You've got options. Enjoy a continental breakfast on your balcony, head to the buffet for some congee with a sea view from the aft, or settle into the main dining room for a more elegant start to your sea day.
It's me and you, in the spotlight's glow. We'll share our dreams, together as one. We're a powerful team. Shine like a...
Number 5, check out the seaplex. Whether it's roller skating, bumper cars, or laser tag, make sure to do at least one activity in this massive indoor space.
Like a star, let your colors show. In this K-pop world, we'll steal the show. With a melody sweet and a rap so tight, we'll dance through the nights, everything feels right. In our stylish outfits, we're turning heads. With the pop of the bass, we'll dance instead. Rappers in the front, singers by our side. In this K-pop.
Coming in at number 4, the Bionic Bar. Here, your drink is shaken and stirred by robotic bartenders. It's futuristic, fun, and definitely worth experiencing at least once.
The nights, everything feels right. In our stylish outfits, we're turning.
Number 3, indulge in some favorites in the main dining room. Don't miss the escargot. Yes, snails cooked in a rich broth and baked. If you can't stomach these little guys, go with the classic French onion soup instead. These Royal Caribbean staples are guest favorites for a reason.
Top of the bass, we'll dance instead. Rappers in the front, singers by our side. In this K-pop journey, we're in for the ride. From the stage.
At number 2, we've got the shows. Starwater is the highlight, with its mix of music, high-tech staging, and amazing dancers. Don't ask what it's about. No one really knows. Just go with the flow. Also check out Sonic Odyssey and Sequins and Feathers. They're high-production spectacles you'd pay good money to see on land.
From the stage to your heart, we're breaking through with every beat and a rhythm. It's me and you, in the spotlight's glow. We'll share our dreams, together as one. We're a powerful team. Shine like a star, let your colors show. In this K-pop.
And finally, number 1, the iFly skydiving experience. Here's a pro tip. Free slots are usually available on port days, but you've got to be quick. Book it on the app the night before and be ready to lock it in as soon as it opens. It's the thrill of skydiving without jumping out of a plane.
We'll dance through the nights, everything feels right.
So, those are the 7 must-dos on Quantum of the Seas. Do you agree with this list? Or is there something else you'd put in your top 7? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cruise tips and countdowns.
In our stylish outfits, we're turning heads. With the pop of the bass, we'll dance instead. Rappers in the front, singers by our side. In this K-pop journey, we're in for the ride. With the crowd cheering loud, we won't stand still. Feel the passion rise, it's a rush, it's a thrill. From the rooftop to the streets, we'll spread the sound. In this K-pop moment, our love knows no bounds. Shine like a star, let your colors show. In this K-pop world, we'll steal the show. With a melody sweet and a rap so tight, we'll dance through the nights, every new heights. With our hearts united, we'll reach for the sky. Together forever in this K-pop high.